How to fix the gaming tab not showing on Facebook. What I'm talking about is at the top you can see there are different tabs. This one's home, the video tab, the friend list or the friend request tab, your profile, and the notification, and finally the menu. But there is no tab for the gaming option, so in order to make it visible you need to first tap on the menu icon and scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, then open your settings, and from here if you scroll down you can see under preferences this tab bar right here. Tap on it, and from here you can tap on customize the bar, and by default, as you can see, the gaming tab is not showing right now, so by default it is hidden. So if I just tap on it and pin this to the navigation bar, it should be visible on the bar right now. So if I just go back, as you can see, the gaming tab is open right now. So I can just go here to play different Facebook games with my friends. So it is really handy and accessible right now. And that's how you fix your gaming tab not showing on Facebook. You just have to know that it is hidden by default. So you have to uh, manually bring it out. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next one.